Hey guys, so this is just a little small tutorial on how I get my hair curly with short hair. So step number one, you want to get a spray bottle. Any spray bottle, but I prefer this because it's like a 360 spray bottle. It goes all around your hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray it. And then massage. Mind you, my hair get curly once water on it, so I just be adding extra touches up so my hair could look good. So it could look how I want it to look. I did my edges, y'all. I tried to do a little sleek. The next step I do is I put product on it. This product is Balm.com. Shout out for my mommy for buying this. I don't know where she bought it, but it's really good. Yeah, this is what it is. It's really good. It smells awesome. So I just put a little bit on my hand because I don't have that much hair. And mom hair all up in this. Massage it in. Once I massage it in, I get the spray bottle again, and I just do like a little spray. You don't want your hair to be too wet because it doesn't make sense because your hair is already short. Yeah. I'm gonna get my brush. Okay, so now since I finished my hair, I'm gonna just brush it. Oh, and I'm also gonna freshen up my lock. I use edge control on my lock because it keeps your lock together. I think I left my clip at my boyfriend. But guys, this just is a little short hair tutorial on how to get your hair looking right when short. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys next time.